Hey guys, John here. Toyota at SEMA revealed a power TRD performance package for the Toyota Tundra. Let's check it out. This Tundra has some extra horsepower on it, and I'll tell you guys what they added right now. So you can see we have some TRD boxes in this. Well, so this truck is rocking a brand new performance package, and let's pull in and talk about it real quick. So the TRD performance package, guys, we're gonna get higher flowing dual intakes. We're gonna get a good catback exhaust, a TRD exhaust. We're also gonna get a new tune from Toyota on this truck, giving us 32 more horsepower for both iForce and iForce Max engines. And our max torque will come on about 400 RPM sooner, which is really nice. These trucks already have pretty good low end torque. Price, about $3,400. But keep in mind, guys, this will be installed when your truck is being built. So as it goes down the assembly line, your truck will have this installed. And also Toyota is talking about retrofitting this onto existing customers. Now, why would you do this? Well, warranty, right? You would do this because of warranty. Now, you could piece together a kit like from AFE, S&B, K&N, whatever. You could piece together a kit. So let's say that intake boxes, they're averaging around $550 right now, okay, for a decent box. And then if you do an exhaust on this truck, like the one back here, there's kits going from about, $600, $700, upwards of $1,200. And then if you do a tune on the truck, which there's not really any crazy good tunes out there right now, you do have the JB4 kind of piggyback tuner and also the AFE Scorcher. Those are around $500 to $600, right, when it's all said and done. If you need someone to install all your stuff for you, you can, maybe do 6 to 7 hours worth of labor, another $700. So it kind of starts to add up, but you're still significantly under what Toyota is going to be charging for this. And with those things, you're going to get a bit more than just 32 horsepower and no torque gains, except for when it comes on a little bit sooner. So why the heck would you do this? Well, again, warranty. So this whole truck will be still under a factory warranty, getting a bit more horsepower, your torque coming on sooner. So that is why someone would do it. And also, if you're buying a truck brand new, the thing is that maybe you don't get a bunch of options. You get some incentives, maybe $5,000, $6,000 off of MSRP, because these trucks are coming down in price, right? There are still dealers that are gouging, but these trucks are coming under MSRP now. So maybe you'll get this performance kit on your truck and it'll be under MSRP, so then it's basically like you got it for free. And also you can finance it instead of doing it after the fact. But we'll take a look real quick at the TRD filters here. I'll pop them open just real fast. We can see that it's more of a cone shape now. So it's more of a cone shape filter, and these are nice high flow filters. If I pull it back, you could see that they're nice high flow filters right there. And our cold air is still being pulled from our fender well right here. So we're still getting nice cold air from our fender well right there, which for the Tundra sucks in the air right there. If we come to the exhaust, we can see it's all nice and shiny right there after the cats. This is what the muffler looks like. And then we'll take a look at the very cool exhaust tip. So it says TRD right there on the top, but check out how this exhaust tip looks. I really like it. And Toyota also deletes the rear resonator for this exhaust, probably helping with the back pressure and everything. I'm curious as to how this exhaust will sound. Now, to round out this kit, guys, comes in the back. We do have TRD Performance right here. So your truck will get a little badge signifying that it's been souped up a bit. Different intakes, different exhausts, better tune on the truck, which is pretty cool. Now, one caveat, right? It's not the only place that says TRD tuned right there. Check out the gas cap. So when you open this up, premium fuel only. So that's another factor that you have to keep in mind, right? So this kit is a little bit more expensive. You do get some good horsepower gains and some good torque gains, but if you're taking a look at the price of gas, premium is always close to 40, 50 cents to $1 more, depending on where you live. Don't even get me started about California. A little bit more than just the regular octane that the Tundra is typically tuned for. So you got to keep that in mind. Every time you fill up a big old 32-gallon tank, you may be paying an extra $15 to $20 at the pump just to fill up your Tundra. So definitely consider that when opting for this kit. So guys, what do you think? Would you install this on your Tundra? Would you buy a Tundra with the kit? Let me know in the comments, and I'll catch you all in the next one.